Welcome to JH. I finally tried Herbishh Color Shampoo, and the first thing I realized is that it's actually easy to use. It functions just like a regular shampoo, but manages to blend in a natural color without making it a whole production. Because apparently, we're all too busy to spend more than 10 minutes in the shower without a specialized degree in cosmetology. The texture is creamy and lathers perfectly, making the application fast and simple. After rinsing, my hair felt soft and refreshed, with an even, vibrant color that didn't come with the usual side effect of a burning scalp or a toxic chemical stench. It's almost like they want you to keep your skin and your sense of smell intact for once. What I like most is how it combines hair care and coloring into one lazy-proof step. It saves time, keeps your hair healthy, and delivers a shade that actually sticks around instead of vanishing the moment you see sunlight. It's a high-quality solution for anyone who wants to look decent while putting in the absolute bare minimum effort. It's definitely earned a permanent spot in my routine, mostly because I've officially run out of excuses for having gray roots.